Welcome to Sellora. In this video, we'll show you how to create your very own brand store, a simple but powerful way to showcase your products and grow your sales. Let's get started. Go to seller.sellora.com, log in using your registered email ID or mobile number, enter your password, and verify using the 6-digit OTP sent to your phone and email. If you're already logged in, just click on Login. You'll be taken straight to your Seller Dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Store. Then select Create Store and click Create Brand Store. The first step is to write a business overview. This is where you introduce your brand to shoppers. Next, fill out your business profile with these key details: your store name, the official name of your brand store, type of enterprise, manufacturer, wholesaler, retail, reseller, etc. Year founded. Share how long your brand has been around. Headquarters, country and state where you operate. Product line, your main product categories. Employee count. Helps showcase your business size. Brand registration. Select yes or no. Quality certifications. Upload any relevant certificates. Product compliance certifications. Add files if applicable. Patent status. Provide details and upload supporting documents. Revenue range. Share your annual turnover range. Target markets. Select where your products are sold. Sustainability practices. Highlight any eco-friendly initiatives. Once you've completed all the fields, click Submit to save your profile. After clicking Submit, you'll be redirected to your brand store page. Here's what to do next. Edit your main banner. Upload a banner image with the recommended size of 1,400 pixels, width by 310 pixels, height. Add your brand logo. Use a high-quality image sized 400 pixels by 400 pixels for best results. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish Profile, and your brand store will go live. This is exactly how your store and listed products will appear to customers. Thanks for watching. For more such video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.